So what is that pain traveling from your neck down into your arms, maybe numbness and tingling into the fingers? Well, oftentimes that's something called radiating pain. So most of the time, radiating pain is going to be coming from the actual spinal root level. So you can have a bulging or herniated disc that's pressing on one of these nerves. All the nerves from the neck do travel down into the arm, and that's a very common cause of this pain. Now, there are other causes. You can have an entrapment along the path of that nerve down through the shoulder, elbow, wrist. So oftentimes we'll want to check those areas as well. So what can you do at home to actually help you with these symptoms? All right, so one of the things you can do at home is going to be to ice the area. So when you use ice, you always want to have some layer of protection between the actual ice and your skin. So it can be some type of cloth or even a paper towel. You'll want to ice your neck, but you can also ice the shoulder or where you actually are feeling the pain, because the ice will help to dull out the pain. Another thing that you can do at home is stretching. Now, if you have a bulging or herniated disc, you got to be careful, because you could potentially cause that disc to be worse if you stretch in the wrong direction. So one of the things that I like to have people do is stretch their pec muscles, because that can often loosen up the area where those nerves travel across here. So easy way to stretch is get on the edge of a door, put your arm up and just lean into the stretch. You should feel this across your pec muscles, and this will actually open up that area and take some of the pressure off. Another stretch that you can do pretty easily is going to be to pull your head down at an angle. You'll often want to go in the direction of the pain as well as away from the pain. The option is going to be to come in to see a chiropractor to be evaluated so we can properly diagnose the condition. But in office, treatment might look like a chiropractic adjustment or some spinal decompression. Decompression is on a table such as this. What decompression is going to do is separate out those joints and actually take pressure off of those discs if that radiating pain is being caused by a bulging or herniated disc. So if you have those type of pain, you can do those things at home. But again, the best thing to do is be evaluated to get the proper diagnosis, to get the proper treatment. Get renewed.